What's up, everybody? It's your boy Terrestrial Trucker. I'm back with another video. But make sure you like my videos, share my videos. And if you're not already subscribed, what's the thing about subscribing? You can even join my channel if you want. I've got the join button up there, so if you want extra perks, shout outs, things like that, help me grow the channel, feel free if you feel the need, y'all. Anyway, today I've got my brand new 2022 Wabash trailer I just picked up. I'm on my way to go pick up my first load, so stay tuned, let's see how this works out. Alright, what's up, everybody? We are here. We are pulling up to the Loves. It is a cluster muck here at the Loves in Whitestown, Indiana. Road construction everywhere, so it's mucking up things, mucking up the flow of traffic. All I want to do is get in here to a scale and scale this bad boy. Okay, so we're here at the Loves. I'm using the weigh my truck app because I have the cat scale weigh my truck app, which is sweet. So of course, you know, it tells me here I am at the cat scale at the Loves in Whitestown, Indiana. Come on, let's go, bro. Wow, and you look at that freaking guy. He's coming all through to get into a parking spot just so he doesn't have to back up. It's a good thing I have it pulled and parked right there, because I was sure absolutely gonna do it. It's pretty flippin' sad, but I'm gonna pull forward there. I don't care. All right, y'all, we are on the scale. When you scale your load, make sure you don't take your foot off the brake, you know. Let it all settle out. That way you're not putting pressure on any of the plates back in the back. Since I'm here, we're gonna hit accept. Communicating with our scale equipment. Now my trailer number has now changed. It's gonna be 3261. There we go, we good. Hit accept. My credit card's already on file with Cat Scale. Yes, I accept it. We're gonna get our weights and see exactly what this bad boy weighs. Do not pull off the scale. Dun dun dun. 34,040. I am definitely lighter than what I was with the other trailer. Holy moly, this is much better, y'all, much better. Break out my readers, get my mousey here, my expenses, pull up the list. We want to go by scales, so let's find scale tickets and look for November of last year, November 3rd, or somewhere November 10th, that's it. I was 35.7 at the Petra. This is 34,040. Wow, this is a big difference, y'all. Big difference. So yeah, I say I'm lighter. Sweet, y'all. All right, I'm gonna get out here and get my ticket, y'all, and we will holler at y'all in a bit. All right, y'all, went into one door. They said nope, that's not it. Come around the back side of the building and we'll get you on the back side of the building. So we gonna come around here and we're gonna get this worked out, y'all. Doo-dah, doo-dah. But we are gonna put this down. We ain't gonna walk up here to the window with this inside, because I don't want them freaking out seeing the camera on my head. So we will do this, y'all. Let's see here. Door open? Yes, it is. Let's pull down, y'all. It's a truck driver. Okay, let's ring the bell for service here. Ring the bell. So we're gonna pick up number. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Oh, yeah. Yes, got a pickup number.
You give me 1 second.
All right.
3260.
3261. used to my other trailer.
Give me 1 second, I'll be back.
Right there. Yeah, I'm so used to 3213. Now I got to get used to 3261 trailer. I got to get used to this trailer number. But I might better take the magic marker and write on the inside of the trailer so they'll see that trailer number. Because it's blank inside, you can't see nothing inside. So I might better put something in there. A lot of shippers and receivers, they want to see your trailer number on the inside of the trailers, because when they're told a trailer number, they want to make sure they're loading the right one or unloading the right trailer. So yes, this place is a paper recycle place. As y'all can see, it is a bunch of cardboard paper stuff of recyclables.
Yes, sir. You can park on 168.
160. All right, appreciate it. All right, thank you. All right, y'all. So we're coming in dock 168, y'all. Let's put my house shoes with headlight camera on. All right, 168 he says, y'all. So since we are going in trailer or in door 168 and we don't have any markings, I am going to get I keep a trusty magic marker up here. We're gonna get this and go put this in the, look at that, y'all. Look at that brand new trailer. 2022 Wabash trailer, and y'all know what? It is mine. I am buying this bad boy. Whew. This is a nice trailer. Such a nice trailer. But I love how the handles, you pull, then you pull and open. And check it out how it's got that mid brace or mid door support. I love that. And then on here, love this. That goes in there and locks it in. That door's not coming off. It's not going anywhere. You twist, pull. Man, you can so smell the wood inside that trailer, all that wood floor. That pulls in, that locks. Ah, okay. There we go. Nice and tight. But let's write on here. I don't like writing too big, so we're just gonna put it small. 3261. $32.61. There's our trailer number. Ugh. Look at that, y'all. That's mine. Mine! Look what I have bought! I love this hindrance where you can see through. I like them auto inflators. Doo-da, doo-da. All right, y'all, we are loaded. Now we can pull out, we can seal the door shut. The load itself is only, what's the weight on this thing? It says 26 bundles, but it doesn't have a weight on it. So to be honest, I have no idea what the freaking weight is on it. But I think she said it was only, let's see, 26,000 pounds. It's all freaking cardboard. 25,000 pounds. I'm sitting at 19 on my axles. So I'm actually gonna come out here, close the doors out here, look inside, because at 25,000, yeah, you could put basically 12 on each one, so that would have me, let's see, and I was at like 10,000, so that put me like, we'll have to look and see. Either way, with 25,000, that's 40,000 split, that's 10. So I could actually be down to 24,000 and still be good on my drives. And I'm sitting at like 19, so actually I think I'm good. Just get a little more weight on the trailer. But that's fine with me, because then that means I can go ahead and fill up with fuel. If I go ahead and put the weight on the trailer, which, you know, ain't a big deal. But I think we're good. All right, let's go ahead and let's seal this bad boy. Let's see what we got. You know what I'm saying? Man, every time I get out of here and I look and I see this brand new trailer, that is awesome, y'all. God is good. God has allowed for me to be able to get a new trailer instead of dealing with the used one. Oh yeah, this stuff's all the way to the back. Let me look in here and see just what this stuff looks like. Ugh. Oh, it's recycled like toys and things like that. All kinds of funky stuff. There we go, that looks better. All right, pull this bad boy. Make sure the sucker is in and sealed. Doo-dah, doo-dah. I had to say, that is a good freaking tight fit, man. Doo-dah, doo-dah. All right, seals in. We are good to go. But you know what? Just be on the safe side. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Damn, I'm in the 9th hole. See, it's different than the other one that I had. That Vanguard, 7 holes. I was so far back, but we'll go ahead and move it back just a little bit. So we'll set the trailer brake. We'll just move it just a couple holes. We won't worry about too much. I mean, because there's still plenty of room back there to the back. Oopsie, sorry. Whoosh. You know what I'm saying? So we got plenty of movement that we can go back on. But I don't want to pull it too far back, because that does look like a light load. It's just big boxes. Put some little sporadic toys and things in it. So we're just gonna pull it till we hit like maybe a couple holes. It's right there, just to be on the safe side. That puts a little more weight. Still didn't put much, but we moved enough holes. So I'm sure we moved at least 3 or 4 holes. If that's all it did, then yeah, this is the load is a lot lighter than the bill of lading says. That's gonna be my guess. I like to rock back a little bit, hit the trolley valve just to make sure she locked in place. Then come back and give it another shot just to make sure. And nope, see, it didn't lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we moved from 7 holes back 13. So yeah, let's slide it back a little bit. Yeah, I mean, That moved that much, and we only moved a couple, like 300 pounds on here. So yeah, it's pretty light, the load's light, so I ain't worried about it. We're just gonna get it to lock. There we go. Now we're locked. I can tell that locked. All right, y'all. So we're gonna get going. We're gonna get out of here, y'all. Nothing like moving on down the road. We're gonna get up here. This delivers in Kansas City, Missouri. We're going out down Wild Bill's country. Wild Beer Trucking. Y'all check him out. That man has got some energy. He is awesome. He lives up there in the Kansas City area. I doubt I'll see him, but hey, I'm up there in his neck of the woods. Y'all give him a shout out. If you're not already subscribed, go check out Wild Beer Trucking. This man has an awesome channel, y'all. Check out Lean Trucking also. He's a flatbed owner, has his own authority, owner operator. Into fitness, he actually has a live stream that went on the other night. He had a broker on there, gave lots of information. Check his channel out. You will get some great information that'll help you out. Anyway, y'all, we gonna ride on down the road and we will holler at y'all later. Peace out.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this.